and we'll show you what we did this week in our bachata lesson. So, we started with our basic to the left, 2, 3, lift the left 4, turn your partner, 5, 6, hand on shoulder, tap 8, turn your lady again, 1, 2, 3, 4, then turn forward to the right, changing hands behind the back, 5, 6, 7, lift the right hand up, 8. And we did that to change hands, so now we're right to right, right hand lifted. Turn your lady into a hammer lock with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ladies, we have to know to bend our own left hand behind our back. Also on the 4, your hair combing your lady. Guys, you're using this right hand as the dominant hand. You're releasing the hand at the waist, and you're letting the lady walk it while we change sides. Guys, go forward. Ladies, step back. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Guys, you're going to wind up with the right hand in between you, and you want to reconnect the left hand to the lady's hammer lock. We're going to do basic to leader's left while you hair comb. 2, 3 with the right hand. Release the hair comb. Bring the lady into the waist. 5, 6. Side by side, 7, tap 8. Walking forward with our basic. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Basic forward, body roll back. 1, 2, 3. Start rolling, start leaning forward. 4, back 5, together 6, 7, 8. Flip the left hand and get out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic 5, 6, 7, and you're done. So that's everything for this week, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get a notification whenever we post our new bachata and salsa lessons. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something, and we'll see you next Sunday in class.